Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shadzaya. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to computers. First of all, you need to first know what is a computer. What does it consist of? I'm going to talk of the examples, I'm going to talk of the types, the importances of the computer. But to begin with, I want to begin with what is a computer. A computer, or what I can say, computers are electronic devices that can store, process, and output information. And they consist of, can I say, two parts, that is the hardware and the software. And for the software, some of them, like I can say, we have the Microsoft Word, the PowerPoint, and these are some of the icons. Like this one is for PowerPoint, this one is for Microsoft Word, there is Excel and many others, and we are going to be handling some of these Microsoft terminologies and the different ones in different videos, so keep following. So I'm going to talk about the different hardware components of a computer. So we have very many different components. We have for the hardware, we have the central processing unit, we have the memory, and that is the RAM. We have the storage devices, for example, hard drives, for example, the hard disk. We have the input and output devices, and I'm going to show you the different. For the input devices, these are the ones that we use to input information in a computer, and for the output devices, these are devices that produce or output information from a computer. Some of the examples of the inputs, we have the keyboard, we have a mouse. Those are some of the examples of the inputs, and I can show you some of the examples of the computers, some of the examples of the digital computers. We have smartphones, we have ATMs, we have soft scan machines, we have automobiles, we have calculators, we have weighing scales. So these are also some personal laptops. Your phone is also a computer. I know some didn't know, but your phone is also a computer. The laptop, the desktop, those are some. And these are other examples of the computer hardware. I have the CPU, that is a central processing unit, the motherboard. Yes, I know sometimes when you look at your computer, you may not see these things, but they are inside. So like the motherboard, you're not going to see it automatically out, but when they remove that first layer, for example, for the laptop, if they remove that keyboard up, it's down. That's where you're going to find the motherboard. There is the hard disk, is also inside. There is the RAM, the mouse. I know most of you are familiar with the keyboard and the mouse. So those are some of the parts of a computer. So those are some of the parts. We have the DVD drive, we have the hard disk, the computer case, the CPU fan, and the others as you can see them. So what are some of the importances of a computer? Are they really useful in our lives? Do we even need computers in our day-to-day life? Yes, first of all, computers have made our work easy in a lot of things. Long ago, like for us in our country, you would find whereby if they are going to make reports, they have to give almost a whole week to one teacher for a certain class to make reports. So he or she had to use boards like for the whole school just to total up all the marks of a certain class to get to make a report. But these days you can do it simple and easy in Excel, and I'll also be making a video on that. So one of the importances of a computer it has eased work, calculation and data processing, storage and retrieving of information has been made easy, communication has been made easy. You don't need to travel a long distance just to make information reach a certain person or to talk to someone. Just get your phone, make a phone call and talk to them. The entertainment, computers have developed entertainment. I know most of you watch movies, play music, some of you even play video games. That is all done by computers. So we appreciate that they have developed the entertainment industry, and they're also used for education. For example, the e-learning that is done online, whereby a student doesn't have to be in class, but still that student can attend lectures but online, and a teacher can still teach from wherever he or she is. So it has aided the education system, and it has really done a great work. Even its security has increased as CCTV cameras have been introduced, and the security has really improved a lot. So those are some of the importances of computers, and we are going to deal with other different things that concern the computer. And actually everything we are going to talk about, there are going to be, some of them are going to be the software of our computer. These are going to be the apps that we deal with. We are going to deal with the Microsoft Word, the Excel, and all that, and that is going to be in the following video. So in this video, I just wanted to introduce you to the computers, get to know what a computer is, what is made up of it, its importance. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow. Please continue following and comment so that I get to know where I can improve and where I can add more information if you need more information. And anything you need to know, you can please consult, as long as it's within the bounds of what our channel is going to be dealing with. Thank you so much. I remain Desire. May the Lord bless you. Bye bye.